Enjoy the view of this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, backup camera, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, wood grain interior trim. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.